Okay, in this video, we're going to take a look at 5 design resources for UX design, web design. The first one here is the Noun Project. So that's the nounproject.com. You can go here and you can find thousands of icons that are ready to use. So for example, if I do a search here for download, I want a download icon. I can find all these download icons. And with the free account, you can download for free with attribution required, so you'll have to make an attribution for the creator. In here, there are some tools to change the background color if you wanted to change the background color, but usually you just want the icon. And then there's ways to download this. You can download it here, and you can download either the SVG or you can download the PNG. I'm going to download the SVG file. In Figma, the Noun Project is built in as a plugin. So if you go into actions and you go into the Noun Project here, if I search for a download icon that I want, I don't have to go to the website to find it. I can do it here. And you can choose a PNG, or if you have the Pro account, you can choose the SVG. You can choose the size and the scale that you want it to come in. And then you can choose the color. The color is a paid option, so you have to have a Pro account in order to get the color option. So clicking on this, you can get the icon into your project, and then you can size and scale and use that however you'd like to. So that's the Noun Project. Really great, vast resource for finding icons. Number 2 is Lorem Picsum. So Lorem Picsum is a place where if you're doing some web work and you need some images, some random images or images that you want, just random for mocking things up. So you can get a full list of images here. Each image has a number, and then you can pull that number using the logic here. So pixum.photos ID, then the number, and then the sizing. You can choose the width and the height, or if you do a single, it'll be a box shape. So I've used this several times in CodePen for different projects like this one. You can see all of the images here. These are from Lorem Picsum, and you can see each box has different pictures from Lorem Picsum. Number 3 is Grabient. So Grabient.com is a site where you can see all these great-gradients, and you can choose different ones, or you can look through different ones. There's different sortings: popular, newest, saved. So if I go to popular, you can see all these different types of gradients. And let's say that I want to put this one into my projects. So you can click this icon to copy the CSS code. You can copy it as an SVG, a PNG, or you can download the image of the gradient. So to use this, I'm going to go to copy the CSS code. And let's say, for example, for the background property of this project, so if I go to a body, and I paste in that code. Now the background is that gradient color. So that's Grabient. You can use it really quickly for mocking things up or using it in UX or in your web design stuff. Next is a fun one. It's called Color Hunt. It's like Adobe.color, and there are different types of color palettes that you can find here. There's some retro color palettes, some light, dark. There's different categories, random and popular. And with this, if you click on the color palette, you can get all the colors down here in the bottom. You can see all the hex values. You can also get all the RGB values, and you can copy a link to that or download it as an image. If you move your cursor into the actual color palette, you can grab a color, and then you can use that in your design. And there is a Chrome extension that comes with it. So if you click on this and install the Chrome extension, what happens is if you create a new tab, it'll open up with a random color palette that's generated, and then you can copy the codes, the hex values for randomly generated color palette. And number 5 is font pairings, fontpair.co. And font pairings is all the free Google fonts. And how would you use those and how would you pair them? So there's fonts here, there's colors, there's some inspirations and categories, different categories for the different types of fonts. And then the most useful thing here is for pairings. Let's say I want to look at Montserrat and see how that pairs with other fonts. So I can choose Montserrat, and it tells me, you know, in this example, Montserrat with Arvo, or Montserrat with Playfair Display and Inter, and all these different font pairings will show you what that looks like. And you can try that in a playground. You can copy a link to share that, and you can get a Figma lookbook if you want, or use that on Canva. So this is a great resource to see what your fonts are going to look like before you use them. So those are 5 design resources for UX. If this video helps you even a tiny bit, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell for more updates.